walang balat sa mukha ng mga buhaya. Lahat ng pera ay kinakain nila, hindi nabubusog ang mga buhaya. Kakain nila lahat ng pera. Mga hayop na buhaya, nagpaksaya sa pera ng bayan. Bumabaha ng pera sa bahay ng mga buhaya. Bumabaha ng dusa sa bahay ng taong bayan. Konting ulan ng bayan, flood is overflowing. Hey, oh! Buhaya no more! Hey, oh! Show them ganito, manakaw, kurakos, buhaya, berries, layo, yawa, buhaya na. Wayo, yawa, buhaya, ow, ow, buhaya, buhaya. Tapos na poets, uwian na buhaya. Sinokontrol ng buhaya pera, kasabot sina Sen at si Kukurakot. Boom boom mga buhaya na nagpati-pati mga baya. Kasama sina Sin sa Kukurakot. Kapal ng Facebook, kapal ng skin. Mga baya, mga buhaya, kapal mooks ng skin nila. Boom boom buhaya, kapal mooks mga buhaya. Watch them feast while people cry. Hey, oh! Buhaya no more! Hey, oh! Show them the door! Nanakaw, kurakos, buhaya, berries, layo, yawa, buhaya na. Ayo, yawa, buhaya, buhaya, buhaya. Tapos ng party, uwian na buhaya. Listen up, time to call them out by name. These greedy creatures playing their dirty game, stuffing pockets while the people suffer pain, dancing in their mansions while we dance in rain. Every single peso that they steal and hoard, while families go hungry, they live like lords. Thick-skinned predators with their fake charm, causing all this chaos, causing all this harm. Setting calm with their crooked deals, making dirty money while ignoring how it feels to be the ones they stepped on, climbing to the top. Time to make these buhaya parties stop. You think we don't see you? You think we don't know? Your Facebook posts is your fancy clothes, while our children have nowhere to go. But watch it, we're waiting, we're not backing.